It's an important update that is breaking right now on what the CBSE will do. Remember, this is about the evaluation of the class 12th CBSE results. We are given to understand that a committee has been constituted. This committee will submit its report now within 10 days. Also, the committee will be informed shortly about the schedule of the first meeting for discussion of the issue. Madhurima is getting us more details on that story and she joins us on the broadcast. Madhurima, what is the broader contour of what the CBSE could be doing now, considering that a lot will hinge on how the committee decides to evaluate students?
Well, Deepti, a 12-member powered committee has been set up by the CBSE. Now, this includes IS Joint Secretary Vipin Kumar to Dr. Sanjay Bharadwaj, Controller of Examination, CBSE. So all level from bureaucrats to the advisors and employees of the CBSE have been involved in this particular committee. And as we know that this particular decision of evaluating the class 12th examination on internal basis has been taken by the CBSE in the lieu of COVID-19 pandemic. And this 12-member committee, Deepti, will submit its report within 10 days from the date of issue of this particular order. And as you said, the committee will be informed shortly about the first discussion on the issue. So this particular committee will be taking in count the suggestions given by various stakeholders, which include parents, students, teachers, all of them. And these suggestions were taken through social media, following which the exams were cancelled also after, a great deliberation that happened between the union minister, stakeholders and the Prime Minister. And now, in the similar fashion, this committee has been constituted and they will be further deliberating upon how the assessment will be done, and if at all students are not happy with the kind of results they get, what would be the procedure then to move forward and attain satisfaction through either by giving exam or seeking evaluation. So all that will be taken in mind, and we can soon expect a curriculum which will, end the suspense that has been prevailing in the mind of class 12 students deeply.
Okay, and Madhurima, even as you get us this entire detail here, we have also accessed that CBSE notification, and I think that's going up on our screens also in just a bit, that actually details the members of this entire committee and the order that you just told us about. But Madhurima, what is the inside track you're learning? What could be the possible options? Because I do remember, even in that interaction that the Prime Minister had with students just about yesterday, a lot of these students were curious. They said, how will you now evaluate us? Because, those marks ultimately, Madhurima, are something that they will hold for life. I mean, depending on what they want to do next, Madhurima. So what could be the broader contours?
Well, Rishi, you very rightly put that students have this greater concern upon how this evaluation will be done, because generally when CBSE exams are taking place, the normal your answer sheet of a particular person goes somewhere where the impression of the person is not known. So that was one very big concern amongst the students, that if at all the school teachers will be evaluating, so if at all there is no favorism, there should not be any bias, because a lot of time we have seen mediocre students performing exceptionally in the class board examinations. So that has been one concern of students. However, what I've been learning is that, of course, there will be multiple options. A, the evaluation will be done on the basis of internal assessment, and as teachers know that how these board examinations impact the future of the students, that will be taken into account. So it would be, the marking would not be as strict as it is. And the third thing is an option, like I said, will always be given to students, that if they are not happy with the kind of evaluation they want, they can always opt for that third option and either take the exam or for re-evaluation.
Yes. All right, Madhurima, for the moment, thank you so much for filling us in with that breaking update. And this is also our colleague Amita, who earlier spoke to a lot of these students. Let's listen in to what they had to say.